Hi friends, I am Manoranjan Pandey from Vikramshila International Agile. Today I would like to discuss about artifacts, Scrum artifacts. We have three Scrum artifacts. So first of all, what is Scrum artifact? Scrum Scrum's artifacts represent work or value. They are designed to maximize transparency of key information. Thus everyone inspecting them has the same basis for adaptation. Means they have some basis or they have some parameter to define or to commit stamp. Yeah, my requirements are ready or we are ready to accept. So each artifact contains a commitment to ensure it provides information that enhances transparency and focus against which progress can be measured. How to everything we measure, right? We have uh, to measure distance, our achievement. So like that, for sprint we have artifacts. We have three artifacts. One is product backlog. So for product backlog we have product goal. When we have sprint backlog, we have sprint goal. Then we have third one is increment. So DOD, definition of done. So uh, just like agile, I have divided three into one. So today in this video, I would like to talk about one of the Scrum artifacts, that is product backlog. So product backlog name suggests product at backlog. So what is product and what is backlog? What is product backlog? If we will know these things, or if it is very clear to us, there will not be problem. So name suggests product backlog. So product owner is the responsible for product backlog. So what is product? First of all, we should know. Why we don't know? We don't need to know because it's a business requirement. It's we want to earn money from market. We want to push our product or service. So we are going to launch in the certain period of time. That product owner and other stakeholders know. So it will make the product. So what is product? A product is a list of items or requirements to deliver value. If we will deliver with value, it will accumulate a lot of wealth. It will accumulate money. That is the whole idea of working together or a lot of hard work. So it has a clear boundary. Of course, everyone has own clear boundary. Whatever position you are, you have own limitations. You have own boundary. Known stakeholders, well-defined users or customers. First of all, if we have idea, we have gathered all information, we must have a target customers or end users. Then only our market will wait for our product. That is a different story. So this is the product. A product could be a service, a physical product, or something more abstract. So this is the product. So product owner is the responsible for product backlog. It means product owner worked hard with various meetings with various stakeholders. He gathered a lot of requirements, information from from fields, maybe from n number of customers, maybe customers internal, maybe external, maybe some their own idea with his or her expertise of domain expertise. So what is product backlog? Product backlog, we can say an inventory of or list of inventory of agile project product stories, sometimes program. If we will go in bigger product, then agile program management will be there. So inventory of agile project product stories, defining an improvement project, stacked, ranked by priority, that have not yet been selected for an agile sprint. Those requirements which are not went for next agile sprint. Okay, so we will have one bucket for these requirements. And product owner is very experienced person who prioritize the majority. He or she will prioritize the list. From that, we will take one item and we will push for development activities. So what the developers, what they do, their developers or development team who will be doing the work are responsible for the sizing. The product owner may influence the developers by helping them understand and select trade-offs. Not only influence, that they can share his vast experience, expertise, inputs also. If development team is not able to understand, product owner's duty, responsibility, we call it responsibility here, to map those requirements, so that development team should be able to understand they must have a clear understanding what they have to code, because they, after coding, we don't want to more changes or more bugs. That's the beauty of agile and Scrum. And transparency, of course, we are transparent, honest also, because if one team member is not good in somewhere, other team member is good, he or she can swap those role or those requirements. They should help each other. Because this is the beauty of sitting together, co-location. Maybe in this post-corona, we don't have those luxury of sitting together, but we are connected. Virtual world is very now great and doing best. So what it is, product backlog, it is the single source of requirement undertaken by the Scrum team. So what product backlog items can be done by the Scrum team within one sprint and deemed ready for selection in a sprint planning event. What typical product backlog we expect? Some may think about just features. It's not just not feature will come always. Features, bugs, technical work, and knowledge acquisition also. What you have done, maybe that's what I was telling you. Clear understanding and precise knowledge will help in the coding. So how to do that? So they usually acquire this degree of transparency after refining activities. Refine, we call it. So what is that? Product backlog refinement. What is product backlog refinement? Product backlog refinement is the act of breaking down and further defining product backlog items into small, more precise items. What it means, Agile itself is breaking down of work. Unlike past practices, though they are also great, but what Agile means, we are breaking down the work in smaller pieces. Similar way here in the product backlog refinement, what we do, we are breaking down how we have a product backlog items, PBI we call, and from that we have high level, then we till user story to story points. So if we are able to map till there, we will have all clarity, all precise information. Maybe sometimes it takes a lot of time, a lot of hard work, efforts. So if we are shy here, coding and development team will not be able to give 100%. So bugs will come, and bugs will be in the next PDI. It will make bigger cycle. It will increase the cost also. So better give more time here, and of course domain expert product owners responsibility to and sometimes write the user stories for the team so that they can understand, even to share all attributes, everything. So how to later stage will come commitment and product goal. So product goal describes a future state of the product, which can serve as a target for the Scrum team to plan against. The product goal is in the product backlog. The rest of the product backlog emerges define what will fulfill the product goal. See, this is fancy, nice English words, but what I mean, or what goal suggests, what we want to achieve in that from those particular requirements, we map those, and that is ready for customers or stakeholders. First customer is product owner. So thank you.